Daily Words of God. In the age of kingdom, God uses words to usher in the new age, to change the means by which He works, and to do the work of the entire age. This is the principle by which God works in the age of Word. He became flesh to speak from different perspectives, so that man could truly see God, who is the Word appearing in the flesh, and could behold His wisdom and wondrousness. Such work is done in order better to achieve the goals of conquering man, perfecting man, and eliminating man, which is the true meaning of the use of words to work in the age of Word. Through these words, people come to know the work of God, the disposition of God, the substance of man, and what man ought to enter into. Through words, the work God wishes to do in the age of Word is brought to fruition in its entirety. Through these words, people are exposed, eliminated, and tried. People have seen God's words, heard these words, and recognized the existence of these words. As a result, they have come to believe in the existence of God, in the omnipotence and wisdom of God, as well as in God's love for man and His desire to save man. The word words may be simple and ordinary, but the words spoken from the mouth of the incarnate God shake the universe. They transform people's hearts, transform their notions and old dispositions, and transform the way the whole world used to appear. Through the ages, only the God of today has worked in this way, and only He speaks thus and comes to save man thus. From this time forward, man lives under the guidance of God's words, shepherded and supplied by His words. People live in the world of God's words, amid the curses and the blessings of God's words. And there are even more people who have come to live under the judgment and chastisement of His words. These words and this work are all for the sake of man's salvation, for the sake of fulfilling God's will, and for the sake of changing the original appearance of the world of old creation. God created the world using words. He leads people throughout the universe using words, and He conquers and saves them using words. Ultimately, He shall use words to bring the entire world of old to an end, thus completing the entirety of His management plan. Throughout the age of kingdom, God uses words to do His work and to achieve the result of His work. He does not work wonders or perform miracles, but merely does His work through words. Because of these words, man is nourished and supplied, and gains knowledge and true experience. In the age of Word, man has been exceptionally blessed. He suffers no physical pain and simply enjoys the bountiful supply of the words of God. Without needing to go blindly seeking or journeying forth blindly, from amid his ease, he sees the appearance of God, hears Him speak with His own mouth, receives that which he supplies, and watches him personally doing his work. These are things that the people of ages past were unable to enjoy, and they are blessings that they could never receive.